life! Sa pinakamalaking naging impact ng TS. Not that I would want to think na sa love life siya may pinakamalaking impact, pero dahil hindi. They all think na kawawa yung girlfriend ko pag ako'y nakatuluyan. That's why lahat sila were against our relationship.
Do you feel sad that you have tics?
Yes.
Why?
Because it's making my teeth. It's making me disturbed.
Oh, it's disturbing you.
When I write.
Okay, but can you write well?
Yes, correct.
What does your teacher say about the tics?
Are you okay? I don't know.
Are you okay right now?
And then she panics.
May nagtatanong mo talaga, tapos bigla kang aasarin ng nakapalas yun. Parang kaya ka tinanong ko dahil sa los, para pala pagtripan ka. Yun, may mga nakakaway ako minsan. Pero minsan, pag yung mga outside doon, yung ginatawa, tingitinang ka, hinahayaan ko, wala kang magagawa dyan. Sila yun libre, mahala sila.